AEPS or Aadhaar Enabled Payment System, launched in 2011, has been one of the cornerstones of the financial inclusion in India. With assisted service delivery, doorstep banking, and Aadhaar biometric based authentication, AEPS has been able to solve for accessibility, availability, affordability, and authentication while catering to the underserved. The product has been a major enabler for the masses. It allows for cash withdrawal, cash deposit, mini statement, balance enquiry, Bhim Aadhaar Pay, and fund transfer. In Q1 of financial year 2021, when the country was in lockdown, it enabled over 22 crore Indians to access their bank accounts and the direct benefit transfer. With over 20 lakh active terminals across country, the product had served a total of over 34 crore Indians in the financial year 2021. In its mission to touch every Indian with one or other payment methods, NPCI is enabling self-help group transactions through dual authentication in AEPS. Self-help groups or SHGs are small uniform group of individuals, often women, under the aegis of DNRLM, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, NABARD and RBI. These groups often have a jointly held bank account under the bank linkage program. The group enables the members to cultivate the habit of savings through formal banking and access microloans. Here's a small use case on how the SHG transactions can be beneficial for the customers. Meena Kumari, Sampath Devi, and Nirmala are part of Grama Jyoti self-help group in small village. The SHG has 12 other members. Meena Kumari and Sampath Devi work as farm labourers like other members in the group, while Nirmala is an Asha worker in the Anganwadi. The group meets in weekly meeting and engages in small savings and loans to their needy members. They have also maintained an account in the ABC Bank branch in their tehsil, for which Meena Kumari, Sampath Devi, and Nirmala are the signatories. But here is the problem. The bank is 20 km away from their village, and for transactions on the account, it would require at least 2 of them to sign. For making withdrawals to lend to the members or making deposits of the money collected in the meetings, they have to travel to the bank branch, often leading to a loss of a day's wage. They would often postpone this travel till enough money collected in their steel box, leading to a loss of interest they could have otherwise earned from the bank. With AEPS SHG transactions, Meena Kumari, Sampath Devi, and Nirmala Kumari can simply visit the BC point in their village, make deposits or withdrawals only using their Aadhaar and biometrics to authorize the transaction. They can also use this mode to directly transfer the loan amount to SHG members' bank account. No more hassle of cash management, wage loss, or interest loss. We also hear that Nirmala Kumari is enrolling as BC Sakhi of DNRLM, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, and start at BC Point herself to further support her group and the village. AEPS, powered by NPCI.